Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we'll show you the right steps to jumpstart your car and get back on the road. With the right method, jump-starting your car is quick and safe. Here's how. Position both cars facing each other, with their batteries within reach. Make sure that the booster car's ignition is on. Connect one end of the first jump lead to the positive terminal of the discharged battery. Connect the other end to the positive terminal of the booster battery. Do not detach the red cap completely. If it comes off, ensure the cables are not connected to this exposed metal terminal. Connect one end of the second jump lead to the negative terminal of the booster battery. Ensure not to connect negative to positive terminal and reverse. Make the final connection to an unpainted heavy metal part of engine cylinder head in the vehicle with the discharged battery. Start the engine of the vehicle with the discharged battery. Remove the jump leads in the exact reverse order in which you connected them. Jump-starting your car is that simple. When done the right way, dial Maruti Suzuki toll-free number 1800-102-1800 to assist with jump-starting the vehicle. And that's it. Follow these steps to jump-start your car safely. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. For expert assistance, Maruti Suzuki service is always by your side. Stay informed, stay safe.